Selection. Model selection is the application of principal method to define complexity of the model. For example, choosing a subset of predictors. We generally split the training set into two subsets, training and validation. And uh, multiple models are fitted on the training set, and each are evaluated on the validation set. The one with the one with highest performance in the validation is selected, and this is evaluated to the testing set. There are some methods like exhaustion selection, variable selection, forward. Hmm. One of the problem in model selection is overfitting. Overfitting occurs when the number of data when the number of data testing training data is low. So the biggest problem with overfitting is the model loses predictive power on new data. Some of the main factors of overfitting are like too many predictors, which may increase the polynomial degree. Coefficient values are too high, then the overfitting occurs. Overfitting can be identified by the following factors, which are shown below. Here, regularization term. Regularization is a term that penalizes some specified properties of the model parameters. There are two types generally, lasso regression and ridge regression. In lasso regression, here the summation of the coefficients magnitude is considered as as a as a absolute value, whereas in the ridge regression we consider it as a squares of the summation of the coefficient values. Generally, some of the coefficients which are negligible to the model are also considered in this, so that they something add a value to the model. In this type, we can reduce the error type and produce the best model